Off and allowed.
Yeah, I got to leave yesterday at 4.
Hmm.
You got to leave yesterday at 4.
I think that's normal, right? I don't know.
Huh?
I think that's pretty normal. I don't have to stick around till 5 for you, right?
I think we do. People versus Rozier on 245899. Appearances for the record.
And on behalf of Mr. Rozier, we'd waive your reading and our plea of not guilty for referral to the office of assigned counsel.
Court winner pleaded not guilty, officer assigned counsel, and then as to bond.
As the bond judge, Mr. Rozier, he's lived here in Saginaw his whole life. He was very honest with me about criminal history, but it's been a number of years since he's had anything going on, Judge. If no other pending cases, if not probation or parole, we'd ask for a PR bond today.
I show a felony assault in 22. What happened with that? Was it ever never filed?
Dropped to aggravated and no one was touched. That is, I'm
Well,
still
I
waiting
just
for
wondered what happened to
my
the
bond
case.
too.
That's fine.
I've been receiving my bond back. I'm sorry.
All right, court winner plea of not guilty, and then PR bond. And then so while you're here, just go over to 319 for office of assigned counsel if you're looking for a court appointed attorney. Have a good day. Be well. In the matter of People versus Ramirez on 182158. All right, is this must be a bench warrant? Oh, this is okay. Failed to appear for arraignment. Let me recall the warrant. So that's there. Waive the reading.
Yes, Judge, we waive the reading, stay on mute, ask for a referral to the office of assigned counsel.
All right.
It looks like Mr. Ramirez already posted. Yes, if I could continue.
All right. Yeah, I do see that.
Is there a sticker on the front of it where there's traffic coming up?
Yep, she also has traffic.
Let me see.
You know, we have a traffic matter. I did see that there's a bench warrant on a traffic case. Did you pay a bond for that as well? Do you recall?
Or whatever I paid.
Okay. Well, we'll get the ticket. So, but we'll take care of this. Office of assigned counsel, posted a bond, so we'll post the bond on that. And then let me just double check everything.
That's it.
Criminal road on there. Hey, Melissa, I was talking to Jen there. Was there a traffic ticket coming up on last name Ramirez, first name Vernon?
I don't show no ticket.
On 179657.
What is it? 17?
179657. It's a county parking ticket.
Oh, geez.
Can you bring it up there like stat? All right, fine. Apparently it's a parking ticket.
Yeah. So on your court date on the current file, it's going to be November 1st. I don't have a time. Not sure what time it's going to be on. Let's see if it's here. You'll get that in the mail for November 1st. But it is going to be in front of Judge Jones in courtroom 303, which is off here in the corner. And on ticket number 179657, appearance for the record as well.
Dan Camby after Mr. Ramirez.
So what we'll do then is recall the warrant.
Her last name was different.
Oh, was it?
Yes.
Okay. And ma'am, were you in jail for about 8 hours at the time on this?
It says, oh, no.
He was arrested for it, Judge. She had to post the bond. So I think she was for
All right.
almost a day.
$46 cash only
All
bond.
right. So we'll take care of that as well. All right, so while you're here, you want to go over to room 319 where the Office of Assigned Counsel is at. If you do retain retain an attorney, just make sure he or she files their appearance. But if you're looking for a court appointed, you want to go to 319. Any questions at all? All right, good luck.
Thank you.
In the matter of People versus Project on 245712, appearances for the record.
And can be after Mr. Krajak, waive the reading, or plea of not guilty, ask for a referral to the office of assigned counsel. Judge, it looks like Mr. Krajak posted a bond, but alternatively, ready to respond when appropriate.
Let me enter a plea of not guilty. Refer to the office of assigned counsel. And then, let's see. Who does Mr. Kozak reside with on M18?
His mom, Judge.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
You have a personal protection order that's out? That was taken out on you?
No.
Is this my copy?
You own any firearms?
No.
You have access to any firearms?
No.
You have no property on Deindorfer?
Judge, so it is his house. The alleged victim is gonna be staying there, or is staying there right now. He knows he's not gonna have any contact with he's not gonna be going back there today. He's in the process of, but separate issue.
do this. I see that in February of this year, a petition was filed um, by the victim. It was an order that was entered. Were you incarcerated at the time? You were
No.
not. Right. Defendant appears voluntarily. Um, the bond that he's posted will be continued. No contact with the victim. That means no contact in writing, in person, through a third party, through social media, telephone, carrier pigeon. It does not matter. There is to be no contact. No firearms or weapons of any kind, illegal controlled substances, or alcohol. Okay. All right, so while you're here, I'll have you go over to Office of Assigned Counsel, unless you're going to retain counsel. And then any questions you can ask Mr. Kane. And you're all set.
I just told him to come in. So,
Yeah.
we can keep rolling.
In the matter of People versus Weiler on 245749, appearances for the record.
Yeah, on behalf of Mr. Weiler, waive the reading, stand mute, ask for referral to the Office of Assigned Counsel, and we're ready to respond when appropriate.
All right. So the court went over a plea of not guilty, referred to Office of Assigned Counsel. The next court date is going to be set on November 1st at 9 a.m. That's going to be in front of Judge Jones. He's over in the corner in courtroom 303. Let's see, as the bond.
As the bond judge, Mr. Weiler, he's a senior at SBSU, where he's studying business. He also plays defensive end on the football team. He has no other pending cases. He's not. We'd ask for a PR bond today, Judge.
Defendant appears voluntarily. Case was issued from 9/20/24. No prior record. Bond will be set at $5,000 personal recognizance. As part of that bond, no alcohol, no illegal controlled substances. And then if you hire an attorney, make sure he or she gets their appearance in. Otherwise, if you're looking at a court-appointed attorney, room 319, you're all set. Good luck with everything. Be careful. And on Carrie Brennan on 111-2619. Hello, Ms. Brennan.
Hello.
So, Ms. Brennan, this is a bench warrant that was issued by Judge Clark. Apparently, he sent out a 10-day letter on the civil infraction. He heard no response, and then he issued the bench warrant just in July of this year. Are you able to take care of that today?
I'm actually hoping if I could make a payment arrangement.
Sure. So let's recall the warrants, we have that out there. And then I'm going to refer the matter back to the 6. And then how much are you able to pay a month? 5, 10, whatever it is.
Well, I can pay you just to be safe, like $20 a month.
Very good. And when would you like to begin that?
Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday of
Okay.
sign up. Is
Are
that-
you talking about the middle of each month?
Yes,
Okay, would you like to start this month or in November?
November. would be
All
good.
right. So then $20 a month. You can always pay more, beginning in November 15th. And and then $20 per month thereafter.
Yes.
The date will be, or 30 days will be extended each time a payment's made. Should something occur, you'll need to contact Judge Clark or the court, just to let them know, so bench one's not issued.
Okay.
Any other questions at all?
No, thank you.
Okay, and then just to let you know, let's see, you got Secretary of State, let me just double check, make sure everything else is good. Let's see. Yep, so the warrant's recalled on this one, and you're all set. Take care. Be well. On the matter of People versus Morales, 4355719. Hello, Ms. Morales. Appearance for the record.
And can on behalf of Ms. Morales.
Wait, the reading?
Well,
Oh, no, let me
just
read
take
it.
Maybe just a
That's right.
shortened one. to
Yeah, no, I
help
understand.
out.
I understand you didn't get a chance to talk with Ms. Morales. Ms. Morales, you're charged with the ticket of driving while license suspended. The maximum penalty is 93 days and or $500. And it was issued on or about 3/29 of 2024. Do you understand the nature of the charges against you?
Yeah.
All right. So what we'll do is enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Refer you to the Office of Assigned Counsel. So you want to go to room 319 after you're done here today. And then just have to make sure that we have your correct address so you can get notice. And then just to let you know, it does show that your license has been revoked by Secretary of State, okay? So you have no driving. You'll need to contact them in order to establish what you need to do to get your driving privileges back. You'll get notice on the next court date, and I'm sure that everything will be resolved at that time.
Okay, so, am I in court today for this ticket or for, like my previous driving?
Well, as I mentioned, when I asked you, you're here on a driving while license suspended,
Okay.
revoked, or denied. So really, it's the revoked portion.
Okay,
And the ticket was issued on 3/29 of 24 over on M13 north of I-75 in Zilwaukee Township, County of Saginaw, State of Michigan. There was a speeding ticket that was also issued. Apparently, you came in contact, the issuing agency was the state police, and they also gave you a speeding ticket. My guess is if you didn't take care of that ticket, it is defaulted and you'll have to take care of that. All right, and that's also affecting your license as well. So, but you'll need to contact Secretary of State as well to begin that process of finding out what you need to do to reestablish your licensing privileges. But for the purpose of this ticket, it's the driving while revoked. I got your not guilty plea in. So you go to Office of Assigned Counsel so an attorney can get appointed. We want to try to assist you as best we can to get your license, to not do anything that's going to be a barrier to your license, to getting the license. In addition, you're also going to have to find out what happened to that other ticket, the defaulted ticket, if you still owe on it or what's going on with that, okay? Any other questions?
no,
All right, good luck with everything.
okay, thank you.
Let's see, in the matter of People versus Croft on 4327628. Hello, Ms. Croft.
Hello.
Appearances for the record.
And can on behalf of Ms. Croft.
All right. Ms. Croft, this is apparently a civil infraction. I can't even tell whose writing that is that signed it. Obviously, it's not mine. Somewhere around my age though, because it's a P4 number. Apparently you owe $33.
Yes, sir.
Are you gonna be able to take care of that today?
Yes, sir. I can take care of that today.
We'll recall that warrant, so you don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
While you're here, let me just double check, make sure you don't have anything else. Valid license, excellent. Sounds like that's all you gotta do.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Yep, we'll get a runner for you, so that they can take you back down to take care of it.
Okay.
All right, thank you. And then, in the matter of People versus Davis on 4447506, A and then 716508C. Appearances for the record.
And King on behalf of Ms. Davis.
All right. On the no insurance ticket, I'll enter a plea of not responsible, set for pretrial. Oh, excuse me. And then with regard to the C matter, are you appearing on behalf or on the misdemeanor?
Yeah.
Waive the reading or no? Let me let you know what you're charged with. Registration plate, improper plate, 90 days or $100 maximum penalty. I see you posted a bond on that. Let me have you stand mute, enter a plea of not guilty, office of assigned counsel. Excuse me. And while you're here, let me just see what's on your record here. Valid license, excellent. So while you're here, you'll just want to go over to office of assigned counsel. Your bond will be continued. Any documents on the plate, you want to bring those to your next court date. Let your attorney know as well. I imagine this is all going to be handled and resolved on the next court date. I do see the ticket was from 11/15/23. There were two other tickets. I'm not sure what happened on those. If you
Oh,
owe,
I paid those.
oh,
Yeah.
okay, all right. Let your attorney know as well that you took care of those other two tickets. And we want to do everything we can to make sure you have your license, and we want to make sure that you nothing impairs your ability to have that license. So I'm sure it's going to be resolved on the next court date.
Gotcha.
Any
So I just
questions?
get like a statement, and like they'll just send me something in the mail.
Yeah, you'll get a notice in the mail on your next court date on the address we have for you.
Okay.
But you'll want to go to also the assigned counsel, so at least you have an attorney with you on that next court date. So everything that can be brought up and to help you through the process. And including the fact that to let them know that you've taken care of those other matters.
Okay.
And then any paperwork you have, just bring it with you, and then I'm sure it'll be resolved.
Okay.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
You have a great day.